Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable location on Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PCs. To enable or disable location services in Chrome browser, first open it and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select this one option settings. In Chrome settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security, click on this one option, site settings. Now scroll down to this one permissions section and click on this one location option. Here under default behavior, you can select this one option. Site can ask for your location. This will enable location on Chrome browser. And in case you want to disable this one location, select the next one option. Don't allow sites to see your location.